Good morning guys, it's Justin. Today we're going to try to draw a bowl full of little pumpkins. So first let's draw like a center line, and then let's draw an oval more or less centered around that center line, and then another oval down here, emphasizing the bottom part because this will be the bottom of the middle of the bowl, and another one under here but a little bit rounder, so like so, and one more just a little bit bigger like so. Okay, so we'll continue this curve over here, so that'll be the base, and then have this go up a little straighter, and then maybe this one can just go out to meet the edge of the upper part of the bowl. So now let's draw some pumpkins here. So let's just go ahead and draw a circle or some oval shape there, maybe another one under here, and one out here, and one on top over there, and say draw a stem here, a stem there, a stem here, and then a stem there. So let's go ahead and draw these in black. So let's draw a little circle there, curve out the stem this way to the center, draw a line there to show that it's kind of deep in there, and then let's draw the stem, this stem here, and again a little line, and another one here, and then let's draw this line here first because this will be in front. I'll start over here. This is the front edge of the bowl, so it'll be in front of these pumpkins. So let's go from forward to the back. So here, let's draw a line up towards the center there, and then out here another one goes out this way, and this one goes out this way. So you're trying to follow what the curve of the pumpkin would be, and then out here, and then back towards the center like that, like so. And here, because it's somewhat curved, we'll go out a bit and then in, and then here as well, out and then in, curved here, out then in, and another one back there. Okay, let's do the same here. So first let's do this, instead of the straight line here, let's go curve it a bit first. Okay, and then here's the bottom of the pumpkin, and we'll continue a line going again towards the center where the stem is. Same here, we'll go like this, and here, and back in, here, out, and back in, and one last one back here. And we'll do the same here. Here we'll have the pumpkin facing outward a bit, so again we'll draw a line from here to towards the stem. Here we'll curve it first and then back down. Again here curved, and then down this way, and again. Okay, so here let's put a line this way, and again curve up and down. Here curve up and down, and now we can draw the stem back here, kind of hiding in the background. Alright, now let's do this last one. So again, a line that goes from towards the stem here, go down, and from here this way, And again on the other side. Here we'll go up a little bit and then down. So you'll notice that I had the rough pencil mark the curve there, but I'm not exactly following because this isn't going to be a perfect circle or oval. So those are just my guidelines. So I'm going to go ahead and do the back of the pumpkin this way, in, and finally the last piece, the last line back here. There we go. Let's just darken this side of the stem, maybe darken that part a bit here. This side of the stem, this side of the stem here, and here, and then blacken this part because this will be in the deep in the shadows. Same with here. Okay, and here. Okay, so now we're gonna draw the rim of the bowl. Actually, let's continue this that way a little bit more. So now we'll go ahead and draw the upper part of the bowl from out here. Just follow the curve as best as you can. And sometimes I'm not very good at this. That actually turned out okay. It's a little flat there, but that's okay. Okay, same here. So let's go down and curve and up. And again here, out, curve in. Okay, so I'm gonna draw a line here to indicate the upper part of the bowl, and you see I get closer to the top of this bowl as I get the line closer over here. I'll go ahead and make this side a little darker to indicate shadow, and then here as well, and here. And I'm more or less drawing a line that's parallel to the outer curve. And there we go, there's our pumpkins. Actually, I need to make this a little bit higher. Pumpkins in a bowl. Happy Thanksgiving if it's Thanksgiving that you're watching this. Please like and subscribe. Thank you very much and have a great day.